guys, just on a little road trip right now. Got Cody here with me. Say hi, Cody. Cody's camera shy, but he'll get over that as well. Just give him time. We're actually making our way right now. I don't know if I told you guys this or not, but a couple years ago I bought an old boat. It's a 1978 Trojan F36. Got a smoking deal on this thing. I couldn't resist. It was one of those impulse buys that, you know, I didn't even tell my wife about it until after I bought it. But good news is she wasn't upset about it. She was super happy. She loves the boat. So we're making our way out there right now. We're going to take the canvas off. We got to treat the canvas. So that's what we're doing. We're making our way out to the boat. We take the canvas off. I'm going to bring it back home, treat it, and put it back on in a couple days from now. Okay guys, we're almost at the marina. Just getting to it now. Stupid signs here. This is the marina. There's my boat, Seabiscuit. Just walking down the dock here, making our way to the boat. Like I said, it's a nice little marina. Got a bit of a beach there. It was raining all morning. It's not supposed to rain now for a couple of days, so this is a good time to do this. It's Thursday right now. Coming back here on Saturday to do some more work to the boat. There she is. '74 Trojan F36. Just went into the water maybe a month ago. Weather hasn't been that great here, so we haven't really spent much time on it yet. I'm getting all the glass here replaced. We're gonna take this canvas off and I'm gonna bring that home and I'm gonna treat it. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of the inside. Come on in, Cody. So this here is the aft cab. Hold on, let me show you guys the front end of the boat here. So this is the galley, old pull-out couch here. The generator under here, TV. Got the kitchen. And then we have one washroom over here. We call it the head. And this is the front of the boat, the V berth. This is where this is my daughter's bedroom. Another door here leads to the same washroom. And then this is a better shot of the aft cab here. So it's supposed to be a mattress on there. That's where the engines are. Engines purr like a kitten. This is the other head. This one's pretty cool. It's got a shower. There it is. I don't use the shower. It's more a storage. And then go up above here. Oh, spider webs. Spider webs, Cody. This is where I hang out mostly because it's nice and shady. I don't like being in the sun too much, so hang out here. As you can tell, spider webs everywhere. It's a little dirty. I gotta clean it up. We're getting ready to use this thing this summer, so it's got a couch in the front there. That's pretty cool. Anyways, we're gonna get busy taking this thing off, and we'll get her home and get her all cleaned up. I'll show you guys that process as well. Okay guys, so I'm at the house and we are cleaning the canvas. So I already did the one side. I forgot to start the video, but I'm gonna flip this thing around and you know, show you guys what I'm doing here. But I got this Starbright, what's it called, Fabric Clean. Apparently this is the stuff to use. You know, they say this is good stuff, and I've watched a bunch of videos and everybody's using this, so I'm using this as well. And yeah, so I'm going to flip this tarp around and kind of get started and show you what show you how I'm doing this. Wash both sides. You know, funny thing is the inside of the canvas is dirtier than the outside of the canvas. One of the tricky parts is finding like a good surface to do this on. I got this flat deck trailer, so it's working out pretty good for me. But if I didn't have this, like, you know, I got a dirt driveway, I got grass everywhere, I got nowhere really to do this. So this is the best solution for me. I'll rinse it down real good. I'm going to stretch this onto the deck after once I clean what's on there already. There, so she's all wet. I'm going to spray some of this stuff on. I'm putting it on generously because I want to make sure it's... I did the other side, I sprayed a bit more water on it, just to lather it up a little bit from the thing. And you just start scrubbing. The other side took me a good 20 minutes to scrape, to, you know, scrub down, so I'm gonna speed things up for you guys.
first and then flip it?
No, I think.
Or we can just do one side, right?
I think we spray it one more time and fucking wipe it, then flip it. And spray it and wipe it again. Okay guys, day number 2 on this canvas. I got it all washed yesterday, and today we're gonna waterproof it. So this is the stuff, Starbright waterproofing. And we have Toby here. Toby has a YouTube channel as well. It's called, what's it called?
Toby's Wilderness Adventures.
Wilderness Adventures. So make sure you guys check that out, and don't forget, like and subscribe. It's very important. This is, you know, this is what makes it all worthwhile. So we've already sprayed this a couple times already because, you know, I forgot to turn the camera on. So, anyways, so we're gonna spray it one more time, and we're gonna kind of rub it down a little bit with the rags. Then we're gonna flip it around, spray it, rub it down, and that's supposed to be that. So here we go.
Do you want to spray?
Nah, you spray it. Should I time lapse it?
We could do start with the slow.
Yeah, okay. And then
do time lapse.
Yeah. Maybe this. You spray, and I'll start rubbing right behind you, and we'll do that for a little bit. We don't have to time lapse it. And then we'll slow it down when we flip around and stuff.
I don't know how far can you reach.
Oh, I can reach that, no problem.
Okay.
Rub down here. Oh yes, that's nice. Oh, it's steamy. It's so freaking hot over here.
The lines on this one.
Yeah,
Looks good.
All right, monsieur. Keep spraying. All right, so we just flipped the tarp around. So we're gonna spray this side now. And then rub it all in. And they say let it sit for 6 hours. Let it dry for 6 hours before you move it around. I guess so we don't mess things up. And so here we go. So now apparently we gotta let this thing sit for about 6 hours, which kind of works out pretty good because I have some friends that are in town, and you know, every time they come into town they want to go to the Mandarin. So they called me and they're like, we're in town. I'm like, all right, we're gonna go to the Mandarin, so we're going there tonight. And once we're done there, I'm going to come back. That'll be 6 hours, maybe 7 hours from now. And we're going to pick up the tarp and head over to the boat. And just so you guys know, I don't know if this is overkill or not, but this is the bottle. It's 3.78 liters, and you know, this is what we used, all of it pretty much. There's really nothing left in here, just a little bit. So we used the whole bottle. Might be overkill, I don't know, but the way I look at it, the more the merrier. So I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's back on, and the results, how well it works.